Hi, my name is Tony, one of the co-founders and the Chief Creative Officer of two Filipino companies, Learning Synergies Inc. and Praxis Associates PH. In this video, I will be sharing with you the basics of Zoom and how to use it as a webinar platform. Launch Zoom as usual. You can access either by a meeting link or a meeting ID and password. Make sure to join with your computer audio to connect your device's microphone and speakers to the Zoom meeting. Click the microphone icon on the lower left portion of your screen to mute or unmute your mic. Next to the mic icon is the video icon to show or hide your video. If you are the speaker, it is necessary that you show your video so the participants can see you. You can also opt to change your background by choosing from this library, or you can also upload your own image or video backgrounds. By clicking the Participants button, you can view all the participants on the right side of the screen. The Chat button launches the chat box wherein you can key in your messages to all the participants or to a specific person privately. Webinar organizers use this feature to allow the members of the audience to ask questions to the speakers. Another feature is Share Screen, which allows the participants to see what you are presenting. You can either share a specific window or just an audio from your device or content from your second camera, or if you just want to show a particular file from your drive. If your presentation has an audio or music, make sure to share computer sound option before clicking share. This is how it looks like while you are sharing your screen. You can find the menu on top. One useful feature is annotate. You can use this option to make the participants focus on what you're talking about on your presentation. You can either doodle, add text, spotlight, and a lot more. You can have an option to save the screen with all your doodles. You can also pause and resume your presentation as needed. There are a lot more things you can do in Zoom. You can also stream live on different social media platforms to widen your reach. To stop screen sharing, select the Stop Share option below the menu bar. And if you are the host of the meeting, don't forget to end the meeting for all. You also have the option to record the meeting and save it either locally to your computer or to a cloud. Those are the fundamentals of conducting a webinar through Zoom. Good luck!